Hi guys, we're super excited to have you come back out with us soon. We just want to let you know that during this time we are taking some extra precautions to make sure everything stays nice and clean and sanitized for you throughout the trip. We'll be wiping down commonly touched surfaces. We'll have hand sanitizer available for you. We'll be wiping down our hand railings, and we also have clearly marked areas to remind you to remain socially distant throughout the trip.
Hi everybody, I just want to let you know that while you do come out here on our tours, we do provide masks and snorkels and fins. If you do choose to use our snorkel gear, just be assured that we are always sanitizing them after every charter, after every single use through our wash and rinse stations. And if you have your own gear at home, by all means, guys, bring that gear with you, especially if you're super comfortable with it. Now, if you come out here and you are using our gear and you do not want to use one of our snorkels, we do have some unopened snorkels available for purchase. Alright, so when it comes to snacks and drinks, guys, by all means, you are welcome to bring your own snacks, even if you want to bring your own lunch. That's totally fine. As far as waters or drinks, we always just highly suggest bringing your own reusable water bottles. You'll see your captain and crew always with their giant thermoses out here.
We hope you guys are staying safe out there and that we can see you on the water soon.